morning. Welcome to the Green Chemical Store. Today we're going to introduce CocoAbsorb, which is the miracle absorbent made from the pith of a coconut. We use CocoAbsorb to clean up any liquid or semi-liquid spill, hazardous materials or not, any fuels, any oils, any paints, antifreezes, herbicides, pesticides, water-based chemicals, cooking oils and greases, and any acids or bases. It can be used safely in all of them. Now we're going to see what happens when you spill some oil or fluid. This is HEF, which is a good representative of just about any kind of petrochemical. And you're going to have a spill, and now you got a problem. But with CocoAbsorb, you don't have much of a problem because it'll instantly pick up the petrochemical. You can see as I spread a little bit there, the fluid is being immediately drawn into the CocoAbsorb. Unlike all other absorbents, which just coat the outside, this is actually bringing the petrochemical into the capillaries in the CocoAbsorb, and it's going to lock them up tight. You can just push it in a little bit, tap it with your broom. I'm sure your broom's bigger than mine. And just that quick, we've eliminated the spill in your shop or in your facility. It will leave a little haze of moisture, but that'll evaporate in a second. And this CocoAbsorb actually is not even used up. You can use it over and over and over again until it's totally saturated, and it's going to look similar to used coffee grounds. So we just push it back, put it on the next spill. Some of the shops keep it in a bucket and use it over and over and over again. Of course, if you used it to pick up a hazardous substance, you'd want to package it properly and dispose of it properly. But your disposal costs are going to be pennies instead of dollars. And the time you saved by cleaning up that quick to have your facility or your shop back in use, no absorbents tracked around. As you can see, there was no mushroom cloud that comes off some of the other absorbents. And you've totally removed the problem from your shop. CocoAbsorb will also remove oil products from the top of water. So if you have a sheen on water, you know it's not supposed to go down the drain. Or if you spill some petrochemical or fuel on water, you have a chance to immediately react with CocoAbsorb and remove 100% of that petrochemical from that water. And I can do a little demo here to show you how that works. And say, here's our body of water, and we have an issue, and we poured oil onto the water. And we know that is going to be a serious problem if somebody finds out. We can take some CocoAbsorb, which you already know will immediately absorb the oil, and you can take the CocoAbsorb, which you know will immediately absorb the oil. We can pour clean water out. And it leaves us with the oil in the CocoAbsorb in one place and the clean water in the other place. And if you use a hydrocarbon test kit, you can prove to yourself that there are 0 hydrocarbons in that water after it's been filtered with CocoAbsorb. Okay, if you have a shop or facility where you mop the floor and you end up with an oily sheen, in your water bucket, in your mop bucket, then you know you cannot pour that down the drain. The easiest way to remove that sheen is to take your CocoAbsorb boom sock, dip it in, swirl it around, it instantly picks up the hydrocarbons, and then hang it up, use it again and again, over and over and over, pour your clean water down the storm drain, no problem.